muto aza capable ete ya raisonner.
Stupid is like you're insulting your son that is
Mwana na yo moko tap dans le français moi ndengani.
Your own child
na yo moko boti
your
makina no
own
so
child, your
zoba.
blood, you are calling him stupid.
Imagine
Even
ofinga
yourself.
mwana liboma
You are
toke kizengi.
insulting your child that is stupid, is
Tu
crazy,
tues
is mad.
la vie de ton enfant.
You are killing the life of your child.
Mwana kina kesa soit condamné.
What about if your child goes
Parce que la parole a des pouvoirs.
Because words have
Il dit dans
power.
le livre des Proverbes que il nous a donné la vie et la mort sont au pouvoir de notre langue.
He's saying in the book of Proverbs that he gives us the power. Life and death is in the power of our words.
Chez moi dans mon pays,
In my country,
et on incite déjà souvent Ebembenayo.
the wish inside people, your death, your dead body.
Avoir des pensées ou des sentiments par noble envers son prochain. Cause on a un sentiment moko malamu te ma beli boso frère to pe ya cousin to pe ya camarade na yo.
Having bad thinking about your brothers or your friends.
Levitique 19
Leviticus 19,
17 18
17, 18,
Ephésiens 4
Ephesians 4,
31.
31.
Tous les genres de choses que je suis en train de parler là maintenant.
All things that I'm
Si
saying
la
now,
personne commet cela,
if a person used
si
to
que
do
ça
it,
fait que Christ revient là
if
bientôt,
we do this,
la personne là ne sera pas sauvée.
now, that person won't be saved.
l'enlèvement ne lui connaît pas. Il ne sera pas enlevé.
He won't go to
C'est
heaven.
la Bible qui dit dans le livre de Matthieu 5,
Is the Bible is saying in the book of Matthew
le verset
5,
21 à 22.
verse
C'est-à-dire
21
quoi?
to 22.
Je ne te condamne pas.
I'm not condemning
Abandonne
you.
juste.
Abandon.
Réponds-toi.
Repent.
Yes. Ephésiens chapitre 4, le verset 31.
Even Ephesians chapter 4 verse 31.
Que toute amertume, que
All
toute
amertume,
animosité,
all animosity,
que toute colère,
all angers,
que toute clamère,
all
que toute clamère,
all clamors,
que toute calomnie,
all calumnies,
que toute espèce de méchanceté
all type of angers
disparaissent du milieu de vous.
may disappear in front of you.
Donc toutes ces choses-là, batanyeli biso, bakanda,
all things that they explain us,
penser à ma belle,
angers, bad thinking,
on devait faire l'effort de l'effacer dans nos vies.
we have to do an effort to
Même
remove
s'il
it
y
in
a un
our
problème
life.
dans votre famille, moi on a soukission mon toit à l'obission ma belle,
Even if there's a problem in your family,
et tant que parent ne cherche pas à te fâcher facilement,
if you are a parent, don't look to get
cherche un
angry
moment
easily.
opportun,
Look for
approche
a time
ton
and
enfant ou bien
approach
ta fille ou bien ton fils,
your child
solo la naïe.
and talk with her.
Il faut avoir l'esprit de meeting
You have to have the spirit of meeting
entre nous, entre dans nos familles.
in us, in our
Si nous
families.
parvenons à se converser,
If we are
il n'y
succeeding
aura pas
to
d'autre chose, il n'y aura
converse,
pas d'autre division.
we are not going to have division.
Même si l'enfant, quand tu vois que tu avais commis quelque chose qui est mal, que ton père s'est fâché ou bien ta mère,
If you child, you see something you have
n'aie
done
pas
that
pressé à
your
lui
father
répondre
get
sur les champs.
angry, don't be in a hurry to answer it directly.
Cherche un moment,
Look at
tant
your
mon moni
for
parent à
time.
s'apaiser.
When your parents
Approche-toi
go
de lui.
low now,
Cela n'a été
go
excusé.
near her or him, then
Yeah, c'est très
excuse
important.
yourself.
Ajoutez aussi dans le livre
And
de
again in the book of
1 Jean,
1 John
chapitre 3,
chapter 3
le verset 15.
verse 15.
Atape yomoko.
Even yourself,
Oza ko se minimiser.
you are minimizing
Nazana nga
yourself.
maele
I'm not
te.
clever.
Nazana nga zoba.
Me, I'm
Yo moko
stupid.
oza komifinga zoba.
Yourself,
Siko soki mutu abengi yo zoba kosilika
What
pona.
about if a person call you stupid? They're going to be angry.
Yo moko ozomimona ke oza kitoko te.
Yourself, you are saying you are not
Siko soki mutu
beautiful.
abengi yo oza kitoko te. Pourquoi tu vas prier?
What if a person call you are not beautiful? You're going
Yo
to be
moko
angry.
oza ko se minimiser.
Yourself, you are minimizing
Let me tell you
yourself.
something. You are beautiful.
You are beautiful.
Tu es beautiful.
You are beautiful.
Tu es jolie.
You are
Dieu
beautiful.
t'a créé bien.
God created you nicely.
Donc tu es une femme, un homme spécial
You are a man, no, a
aux yeux de
special
ton
lady
créateur.
in the eyes of your
Tala soki
creator.
pas frère oza kitoko te.
Even brother, you are not beautiful.
Et pas na nga na mono kitoko.
With me, you are beautiful.
C'est ça la vie.
That is the
Soki
life.
oya boyi yo.
If him refuse
Mutu
you,
mususu ondima yo.
another person will accept you.
Soki mama na kuna boyi yo.
If your mother they
Mama
refuse
mususu
you,
pa kondima yo.
another mother they will accept
Soki
you.
papa oya boyi yo.
If this father
Papa na kuna
refuse you,
kondima yo.
this father
C'est-à-dire,
out
ne
there
te
will
néglige
accept you.
pas.
Never negligent yourself.
Ne méprise jamais ta vie.
Never méprise
Ne
your
méprise
life.
jamais ta jeunesse.
Never
Il
méprise
ne faut pas
your
accepter
youthness.
que quelqu'un inconnu abuse la vie.
Don't leave a strange person to just come and play with your life.
Exemple, Rome Tobi qui n'a pas fait.
Like a person saying, I must just
Eh,
die. I must just
my
die.
life is finished.
My life is finished.
Yo vine suki mozo pema.
You are saying your life is
Est-ce
finished,
que
but
vous
you are
devez suki
bleeding.
aloba?
Can a person who their life is
Est-ce
finished
que
can
vous
he
avez
talk?
coupé aloba?
Can a person who is dead
Eh,
can
Rome
talk?
Tobi moté me calé.
It's like a person who is saying their heart has stopped,
Aussi moté manizo.
but you touch their heart like this,
Ah,
it's
tu
still
connais
bumping.
c'est comme moté pas le coup dans Zambé.
Let me have a little bit for the glory of God.
Aussi peut détourner la foi ou l'éducation de quelqu'un. Ko baby sa kondima ya mutu.
Destroying the belief of a person
To pe
or
ko
the
baby
faith
sa
of a
education ya
person
mutu.
or education of a person.
Bien aimé,
Beloved,
ngai ta na kota ki na monde mabe,
me when I entered in a
moi
bad,
je prenais
the
l'alcool.
bad world, I was drinking.
Ana ndeko mina masanga
Et
et je fumais aussi.
I was also smoking.
À cause de quoi?
Because of what?
J'étais mal accompagné.
I was with bad,
J'avais de
bad
mauvaises
friends.
camarades.
I was having
De
bad
mauvais
friends.
amis.
Bad friends.
Bien aimé, soki yo muntu oza na caractère wana ya kobebisa bana baninga.
Beloved, you if you have the character of destroying
Yo
children
tellement
of
fino
others,
ebeba nango olingi kobebisa vie ya mwana
since
moninga.
your life is already destroyed, just want to
Dieu
destroy
va te
the life
punir.
of the child of another, God is going to punish you.
Tu n'hériteras pas le royaume des cieux.
You are not going to go to the
Omoni
kingdom.
moninga tellement basente bazemisi babaliete.
Since you see the friend get pregnant,
Ye ba komi koluka moninga ne pas na situation wana.
you also are looking so
C'est
that
un
your friend also
péché.
must get pregnant. It's a sin.
Et moto abongo akohériter te bokonza likolo.
Such people are not going to go to the kingdom of
Bien aimé dans le
God.
Seigneur,
Beloved Lord,
ce n'est pas bien.
it's not good.
Ce n'est pas bien.
It's not good.
Omona kelo prene za mabe,
You are seeing that thing
mais
is not
ozotika
good,
moninga kende kosala yango.
but you are leaving your friend to
Olingo
go do
simbisa
it.
moninga touche.
You just want to make the person
Sache
to
une
touch.
chose, le jugement existaka.
Judgment exists.
Ya. Tanga ngona Matthieu chapitre 18,
Read it in Matthew chapter 18,
le verset 6.
verse 6.
Au baptême de Deutéronome 6,
And
6 à
again,
9.
Deuteronomy 6, 9 to...
Le Deutéronome 6, 6 à 9. Juste à
Oh,
9.
Deuteronomy 6, 6 to 9.
Ya. Natangi d'abord Matthieu 18.
I'm reading first Matthew 18.
Et lobi na biso dans les
It's telling
versets.
us in verse,
Dans les versets, na bi verset nini?
in the verse,
Eh ba soki oza nange longo. Le verset 6.
in verse 6.
Ya natangi na kombo na Yesu.
Read in the name of God.
Mais si quelqu'un
But if a person scandalize
un de ces petits qui croient en moi,
one of the child that believe in me,
il voudrait mieux pour lui qu'on suspende à son cou une meule de moulin et qu'on les jette au fond de la mer. Donc ce qui est mutolingi o meka soit ko manipuler ko sakana mutu po ozama yelo moni ke yo yebi ozama konji ozana ba grade ozana mongo o dominer via muto baby sa via mutu.
if you see that you are a boss, you have money, you have great, you are great in soldiers, you have to destroy the life of a person,
Sache-le que
no one
la Bible
thing.
dit que la personne là sera
The Bible
condamnée.
is saying that such people will be condemned.
Que Dieu vous bénisse.
May God bless you.
Si vous avez des questions,
If you have questions,
écrivez-moi sur ma page
write for me in my page.
et appelez-moi après cette édition.
Call me after this.
Appelez-moi à la fin de cette émission alors.
Call me in the end of this emission, this program.
Mususu pe azo blessé ndeko na ye.
And also you are injuring your
Pourquoi azo
brother.
kisa muningane mutema pasi.
You make your brother to feel pain in their heart.
Monsieur zaka babalanaki na mwasi.
Either it's like they will get married with a
Soit
wife,
abandaki kozala na fiancé na ye.
or maybe he was with his fiancée.
Tango baye ko se séparer bakomi na suka te.
When they separate themselves, they didn't
Omoni
check
ye
the in.
akomi na caractère ya kobwakelaki lokola bakotindelaki baparole mabe kofinga biso akutani na nzela donc azo blessé ye.
You see, she get used or he get used that every time when they meet, he start throwing bad word against him.
Et surtout chez nous les Africains,
Especially in us African, this thing
omoni
used to happen.
oncle na yo to papa na yo
You
to
see your uncle, your
papa leki na
father,
yo
or
to tanti na yo
your auntie,
azo sunga yo
She's helping you.
mokolo moko boye moins de faux pas
One day a small mistake,
azoye biso ke ngam nasalaka yo ti
she's telling you, I'm the one who's
yoka esi so nga nasala bino te ovivre.
You think that if I'm not in your life,
Ça
you will
fait
leave.
mal, ça fait mal au
Just
cœur.
to pay.
Ça fait mal au cœur.
Just to pay.
Ozobokola mwana moko aza baparent te mais tant ndenge ozolobele mabe.
You are helping it. You are feeding a child that doesn't have parents, but check those words that you are saying to it.
Ozobokola mwana ndeko no po ndeko na asalaka te aza na mbongo te.
You are feeding the child of your brother because he's not having what? Because your brother is not having money.
Péché.
Then you're insulting your brother through using the son. You are not going to go to the heaven. We're reading the book of
Ephésiens chapitre 4 verset 29.
Ephesians chapter 4 verse 29. The Bible is telling us that.
D'abord,
firstly, if you used to use those things below,
Jésus-Christ ne condamne personne.
Jesus Christ is not condemning anybody.
Christ a jugé mon tout pour l'instant.
Jesus Christ is not judging anybody.
Parce que le Fils de Dieu
because the Son of
était
God
venu parmi les hommes,
did come to men,
non pour juger mais pour sauver.
Not to judge but just to save.
And me, I'm not judge you.
And me, I'm not judging you.
Yeah.